not be in vain. As we travel through the surface, yeah. May our journey not be in vain, oh, yeah. If I record the one way, oh, 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 yeah. What do me mean? And I no go nowhere. It goes beyond what you think, and it goes beyond what you say. Yeah. Whatever. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Akwa kunyere nwata n'aka biko nyanyụnarịkwa n'anya. Oze tinyere nwata n'aka biko nyanyụnarịkwa n'anya n'ụwa. Oh, yeah. Nyakazie. Oh, yeah. This journey must never be vain. Must never be vain. May we find peace in the land. Oh, may we find peace in this land.
My elders, there is confusion in the land. People are running for their lives. Eh?
Why?
As we speak now.
Why?
The information reaching me now that a strange madman entered our kingdom and has been chasing people away with clubs, dangerous weapons.
Come, Onaz.
Speak.
Explain to us so we can understand what is happening.
The thing is that he told me that there is this skillful and dangerous way of fighting that he has. So I think I should go and attend to them.
You may go back to your duty post now.
Onaz, be careful.
What are you doing here?
Hello? What? So we should come and meet two of you there? It's alright, we're coming. Hey.
What is it?
It's Jeff.
Jeff?
Yes.
Any news?
He said there is an incident between a madman and some people at the palace.
What incident?
I don't know. But he said we should come and meet them there.
Where?
At the palace.
Palace?
Yes.
Okay. In that case, we should ask around.
Yes.
Okay. Enter.
Calm down. All these things I've been saying, I didn't mean it, Hey, I didn't mean it, You are my brother now. You are my brother.
That is Ona's voice. No. Ona's.
Can you hear that?
It's Ona's.
Oh no, can you hear that?
Hold on. The wise one. Don't you think it is better for us to go down and know what is wrong with Unas? Maybe the strange madman has entered the palace.
Yes.
So that we'll know where to go and hide. It is obvious it is dangerous. So enter the scene. I want to go down.
This person.
Everyone should go and know where to hide it. I'll see yeah.
Stop it!
Nobody remember what did I do? Get up.
Stand up.
Wait. Where are you hurrying to? Where are you hurrying to?
Is it me you're talking to?
Who else now, if not you?
As you can see, I'm traveling.
I don't get. Oh, so you planned on running away and leaving me here? After you made me lose my job, and then you caused the queen to chase me out of the palace.
Listen. I don't condole insult from anybody. Listen to me. I never forced you to do anything with me. Listen. Danya, I won't enter you now. Listen. I don't take insult from anybody. Don't provoke me. Don't get me angry.
So that's what you're saying now, eh? That's what you're saying. That's what you're saying. You think you can just run away and leave me in this place? It will not work, oh. It will not work.
You're holding my bag?
Yes, I'm holding your bag.
See, if you don't leave this bag now, I will disfigure your face.
You will not do anything.
I will see. Oh yeah? One.
I'm not leaving. If you like, shout from now till tomorrow. I'm not going to leave this bag. I'm not going anywhere without me.
Okay, bye, Awa. Now, leave this bag.
I'm not going to leave it.
2. Listen. I will disfigure your face, Onyala.
See. I'm not going to go anywhere. Leave me. Wait.
Our mother goddess has turned her back on us. But the only option left is to embark on a spiritual journey to the abode of the great mother goddess and return with a solution within 3 days. 3 candles will be lit for the 3 days as required. As soon as each of the candles goes off, so shall the days be counted. This journey will be embarked on by 2 persons. Firstly, the one who nurtured the pains of losing a loved one. Secondly, the one who is very close to the throne.
I am ready. Please.
Are you sure?
I have to do this. I am ready. I am ready, wise one. I am ready to embark on this journey if that will make my son normal again. I don't mind. I don't care if I lose my life. I can't afford to have anything happen to my son. He's my world. Our world. I'm ready.
Who amongst you is ready to go on the journey with her?
Oh no. Huh? You are closer.
No, it's not. You are the youngest. You will go.
You are younger in this.
Yes,
You
yes,
follow her. Go.
In this cabinet.
Onas, you okay?
Yes. You are closer to the prince.
He's a better person.
Better person for what?
You can go free.
You are closer to the prince.
Go where?
You are closer to the queen.
You are a better person.
I want to.
When you get there, you know where
Both of you must listen to me at all times. Whenever you find yourselves in any situation that looks difficult, that may trap your soul in the spirit, blow off your candles, and your spirit will immediately return back to your bodies here in this room. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes. Yes, I am ready. gods of our land. Gods of our land. What type of thing is this? I never wanted to come here. Yes. I never wanted to come here. Even as the wise one threatened to transfer the your son's madness to me, I would have refused. Hey, oh, I'm not afraid though. No, don't get me wrong. I'm a brave man, you know, I'm a brave man. But bringing me, we've been working now. Okay, let's rest, even if it's 30 minutes. In 30 minutes.
Shut up! Listen.
Keep quiet. And keep moving forward. The abode of the mother goddess lies ahead of you across the silent cave. Make sure you both maintain total silence when you are inside the cave. Never you speak unless you are spoken to. Else you will be unable to speak, even if you return back alive. Always remember this.
gods of our land. Gods of our land. What type of thing is this? I never wanted to come here. Yes. I never wanted to come here. Even as the wise one threatened to transfer the your son's madness to me, I would have refused. Hey, oh, I'm not afraid though. No, don't get me wrong. I'm a brave man, you know, I'm a brave man. But bringing me, we've been working now. Okay, let's rest, even if it's 30 minutes. In 30 minutes.
Shut up! Listen.
Keep quiet. And keep moving forward. The abode of the mother goddess lies ahead of you across the silent cave. Make sure you both maintain total silence when you are inside the cave. Never you speak unless you are spoken to. Else you will be unable to speak, even if you return back alive. Always remember this.
Since I came into this place, spirit. Yeah? You look as if I'm not brave. I'm brave. I know myself. Yeah? If you ask me what of God, this can be. Shut up!
Wise one, how do we know if they're in trouble? And is there anything we can do to help?
It's going to be fine, dear. Let's all keep a positive mind.
They have finally gotten to the silent cave.
Everything is just different.
Just keep quiet.
Oh, quiet.
I think we are already there. Yes. I think we are already here.
I thought as much. Yes, I thought as much. Okay. Look at that girl. Look at that small. You can ask her.
The gate to the silent cave.
Somebody's there. Somebody's there.
Shh.
Yeah, this small girl. That's a small girl now. Just a small girl. I'm not doing and when you were because how long does it take one to enter this cave and come out? Or is there any shortcut? We've been walking. Well, she deaf. This one I'm asking you and you're not responding. Have I offended you before? Talk now.
Please. I beg you. Pardon his manners. Forgive him.
What do you want?
Please. We are here in search of the great mother's abode, which lies across the silent cave.
Then you must offer a gift before I can grant you access to it.
What's the gift? Did you come? You see, you are not. You would have come with biscuit or chewing gum. This small girl, at least we are giving you. You do not come with any gift. I know. Shut up. What's the gift?
I want that bead on your wrist.
It's what gift? What's this bead? Do you know the purpose of this bead? This bead signifies my position in the palace of Obodugu Kingdom, where I come from. I cannot give you this bead. This bead shows that I'm the chief head of all the palace servants, and also the spokesperson. Also from the bid. Which bid? I will not be. Don't include me, Van. Don't include me, Van. Don't include me, Van. Just keep quiet.
Thank you. Thank you, wise one.
My bid, you know.
How dare you obstruct my peace? What do you want now?
Great mother of all mothers, please. I came on behalf of Echozona, my son, who is roaming, mad and dangerous at Obodogu Kingdom. Please, have mercy. Make him normal again. I beg you, please, have mercy.
He will never like that until he fulfilled that which he is called to do on this earth. But I don't know if it will be possible for a very long time, because the Queen of Obodogu obstructs the process and thereby offended me dearly. I will use the gifts of Echezona to punish the kingdom and the way.
Great mother, please, have mercy. He's my only child. I don't have any other. Please.
Great mother goddess. I beg you on behalf of the entire people of Obodogu Kingdom and my queen, have mercy, forgive us.
Not at all. The queen and the kingdom will face my wrath unless a soul is given in exchange that is the only way I can reconsider my decision.
It's so for
Mother Goddess, if sacrificing a soul will save my people and my queen, then take mine in exchange.
Yes.
Let him take mine.
Yes.
I'm even tired. Let him take mine. I love my people so much. I love my queen.
Why do you want to give your soul in exchange? Who are you?
I am Munaz, the head of the palace servant, and also the queen's spokesperson. Please, take my soul and save my people. I beg of you. Please. Please.
Your request is granted. Munaz! You, listen to what I am going to tell you and do exact that when you go back.
Yes,
the queen will have to dress like all whom she wanted to horse, despite her innocence. Exactly as I told you.
Nasi is no more. He's passed on. The great mother further instructed that the queen will cease to dress or appear like a queen. Instead, she will begin to dress like Oluku and go in search of a chosener to win his heart and calm him down. She will make him believe that he has actually found Oluku whom he has been looking for. And he said that this can only be achieved by the queen singing a song or calling him by the name which both of them are familiar with when they were still together. She said that winning him back will bring both of them closer enough for Echezana to lay his hand on her. And by that, both will feel each other's heart and have a compassionate hug. So she said, this wouldn't have been possible if not for Onas. He sacrificed his soul for the queen. And the entire people of Oboduku kingdom. He passed. He passed to the world beyond for his people. I still can't believe Unas is gone. It's such a pity. I wish I was bold enough to tell him how I feel about him. He's such a loving and a kind man. And I will miss him so much.
What is going on here? Who are these people? Why am I dressed in these rags? Why are you all looking at me like I'm blabbing? I said, what is going on here? Unas! 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 I need you to come and tell me why I'm dressed in these rags.
Forgive me. Please save my kingdom. Please save my kingdom.
Wait, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I heard the madman's voice from the throne room.
Really?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Tell the elders to meet me there at once. Tell everybody to meet me there fast.